Breaking news mga kabayan, Iran submarine wasak sa US airstrike. Ganito kabilis umatake ang Amerika. Walang paligoy-ligoy, binomba agad ang mga floating asset ng Iranian Navy. Sinabayan pa ito ng paglunsad ng US Navy destroyer ng mga Tomahawk missile upang sirain ang iba pang mga barko ng Iran na banta sa Strait of Hormuz. B-21 Raider, gagamitin na ng Amerika laban sa Iran. Ang 5th generation stealth bomber ng Amerika, ipinakita ang pagsasanay nito sa aerial refueling. China, nagalit dahil hindi daw sila inabisuhan ng Amerika. Naaatake ito sa Iran. Patawa talaga itong China mga kabayan. Siyempre, malalaman ng Iran dahil kaalyado kayo nila. Russia tinalikuran ang Iran. Sa halip na batikusin si President Trump sa pagsalakay nito sa Iran, bumilib ang Pangulo ng Russia sa ipinakitang bilis at lakas ng puwersa ng Amerika laban sa Iran military. Amerika handang eskortan ang mga barkong naglalaman ng oil at gas sa Strait of Hormuz kung kinakailangan. Grabe mga kabayan, ipinakita ng US Central Command ang aktwal na pag-airstrike at pagwasak ng US Navy sa Iran submarine at iba't iba pang mga barko ng Iran Navy. Ayon sa source, ang submarine ay kabilang sa Ghadir class midget submarine. Ang mga barko ng Iran Navy na sinasabi nilang kilabot ng Strait of Hormuz ay isa-isang pinalubog ng puwersa ng Amerika. Aktwal na video, panoorin.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Walang tigil din ang paglunsad ng US Navy destroyer ng BGM-109 Tomahawk land attack cruise missile upang burahin sa mundong ito ang banta ng Iran. Eto na, B-21 Raider, ang pinakabagong 5th generation bomber ng Amerika. Sinusubukan na ang pag-refuel gamit ang aerial tanker. Timing na timing ang ginagawang pag-testing ng Amerika sa kanilang pangmalakasang B-21 Raider sa nangyayari ngayong digmaan sa gitnang silangan. Ito ay mas malakas na mensahe laban sa Iran. Kapag ipinakita ng Amerika, meron itong gustong ipahiwatig sa kalaban. Ayon kay President Trump, kung kinakailangan, tutulungan ng mga barkong pandigma ng Amerika ang mga barko upang makatawid sa Strait of Hormuz dahil sa takot nila na aatakin sila ng Iran. Yan ang tunay na malakas. Nasaan na yung mga barkong pandigma ng China? Naglaho na sila parang bula.
But when the time comes, the U.S. Navy and its partners will escort tankers through the strait if needed. I hope it's not going to be needed, but if it's needed, we'll escort them right through. And we have the greatest mine-sweeping ability. We have the greatest ships and all of the, we know exactly where they're placed. We'll get them out of there very fast, but we hope we don't have any of that. And again, if they do that, if they play that game, we're going to hit them at a level that they have not seen before. So we're winning very decisively. We're way ahead of schedule. Our military is the greatest in the world, with the greatest equipment and the greatest people in the world. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. Iran's a very powerful country. They were going to take over the Middle East. If we did not hit them, they were going to take over the Middle East. They had thousands and thousands. Since their last hit, they had thousands and thousands of missiles and everything else. Most are now destroyed. But they were going to take over the Middle East. Those weapons were aimed at Middle Eastern countries that had nothing to do with this. They were going to take over the Middle East and they were going to try and destroy Israel. So we stopped it with good timing, and we're very proud to be involved in this, and it's going to be ended soon. And if it starts up again, they'll be hit even harder.
Matinding pagsabog naman ang nasaksihan sa Iran. Posibleng ito ay dulot ng mga bombang inihulog ng US bomber sa Iran military target. President Putin ng Russia hindi nakapalag, pinanood lang habang binabayo ng puwersa ng Israel at Amerika ang Iran. Ayon kay President Trump, bumilib si President Putin sa puwersa at bilis ng pagsalakay ng Israel at Amerika. Ang itinuturing na kaalyado ng Islamic regime ng Iran, bigla na lang silang iniwan.
And this went very quickly. We talked about that with President Putin. He was very impressed with what he saw because nobody's ever seen anything quite like it. You know, Iran was a very powerful military country.
Maging ang China masama ang loob dahil hindi daw sila naabisuhan ng Amerika bago umatake sa Iran. Pambihira din itong China mga kabayan. Mukhang nakalimutan ata nila na magkaalyado sila ng Iran.
美国和以色列未经安理会授权。
The United States and Israel launched a military strike against Iran without authorization from the UN Security Council, violating international law. China is deeply concerned about the spillover effects of the conflict on neighboring countries. China believes that the sovereignty, security, and territorial integrity of the Gulf states should also be fully respected, and we urge all parties to cease military operations to prevent the further spread of the conflict. What I can tell you is that the Chinese side was not informed in advance about the US military operation. China and Russia have pushed for an emergency meeting of the UN Security Council to discuss the current situation. We support the UN Security Council continuing to play its role, and we hope that all parties concerned will immediately cease military operations to avoid escalation. The reports are untrue. As a responsible major power, China has always fulfilled its international obligations. China opposes malicious hype and hopes that relevant parties will do more to ease tensions. Since the security situation in Iran became tense, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Chinese embassy and consulates in Iran have issued multiple reminders and carried out various efforts to urge and assist Chinese citizens to evacuate as soon as possible. As of March 2nd, Beijing time, more than 3,000 Chinese citizens have been evacuated from Iran. Chinese embassies and consulates in neighboring countries have dispatched working groups to border crossings to receive and assist Chinese citizens evacuating from Iran. In recent days, a Chinese national in Tehran was caught up in the military conflict and was killed. We express our condolences over the loss of our compatriot and extend sympathies to the bereaved family. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has already instructed the Chinese embassy in Iran to provide assistance to the person concerned and their family.
人员及家属提供协助。